Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Stay home, stay safe and maintain social distance. Today my topic is factors affecting location of industries for class 8. The factors affecting the location of industries are the availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport and market. Industries are situated where some or all of these factors are easily available. Sometimes the government provides incentives like subsidized lower transport cost, and other infrastructure so that industry may be located in a backyard areas. Industrialization often led to the development of growth of towns and cities. Industry system. An industry system consists of inputs, process, and outputs. The inputs are the raw materials, labor, and cost of land, transport, power, and other infrastructures. The process include a wide range of activities that convert the raw materials into finished products. The outputs are the end products and the income earned from it. In case of the textile industry, the inputs may be cotton, human labor, factory and transport costs. The process include ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, and printing. The outputs in the shirt you wear. Industrial regions. Industrial regions emerge when a number of industries are located close to each other and share the benefit of their closeness. Major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, and Eastern Asia. Major industrial regions tend to be located in the temperate areas near seaports and especially near coal fields. India has several industrial regions like Mumbai, Pune, Cluster Bangalore, Tamil Nadu region, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad, Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam, Guntur belt, Gurgaon, Delhi, Meerut region, and the Kolkam Trivandrum industrial cluster. Distribution of major industries. The world's major industries are iron and steel industry, the textile industries, and the information technology industry. The iron and steel industries, textile industries are the older industries, while information technology is an emerging industry. The countries in which iron and steel industry are located are Germany, the USA, China, Japan, Russia. Textile industry is concentrated in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, Taiwan. The major hubs of information technology industry are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of industry. Iron and steel industry, like other industries, iron and steel industry too comprises various inputs, process, outputs. This is feeder industries whose products are used as a raw material for other industries. The inputs of the industry include the raw materials such as iron ore, coal, limestone, along with the labor, capital, site, and the other infrastructure. The process of converting iron ore into steel involves money exchange. The raw materials input in the blast furnace where it undergoes smelting. It is then refined. The output obtained is steel, which may be used for other industries as a raw material. Steel is tough and it can be easily be shaped, but are made into wire. Special alloys of steel can be made by adding small amounts of other metals such as aluminum, nickel, and copper. Alloys give steel unusual hardness, toughness, or ability to resist rust. Steel is often called the backbone of modern industry. Almost everything we use either made of iron or steel or has been made with the tools and machinery of these metals. Ships, trains, trucks, and autos are made largely of steel. Even the safety pins and the needles you see are made from the steel. Oil wells are drilled with the steel machinery. Steel pipelines transport oil. Minerals are mined with steel equipments. Farm machines are mostly steel. Large buildings have steel framework. Before 1800 AD, iron and steel industry was located where raw materials, power supply and running water were easily available. Later, the ideal location for the industry was near coal fields and close to the canals and railways. After 1950, iron and steel industry began to be located on a large area of flat and near seaports. This is because by this time steelworks and have become a very large and iron and ore had to be imported from overseas. In India, iron and steel industries has developed taking advantage of raw materials, cheap labor, transport and market. All the important steel producing centers such as Bihali, Durgapur, Bumpur, Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bokharo are situated in the regions that spreads over the states West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Salem in Tamil Nadu are other important steel centers utilizing local resources. India's steel production increased from 1 million tons in 1947 to 30 million tons in 2002. Thanks.